Welcome back to the vlog life. I shoot once, he blinked twice. I pull up with that and he said law.
John in Tennessee, go ahead. What you want to say?
That shit is trash, dog. Get the fuck off the airwaves.
Oh, come on.
Welcome back to that vlog life. I pull up with the dirty Sprite. He leaning back, taking night, nighty night. Butthole crack tight, living life. Alright, I'll be gone. See you later. Okay. Don't sell crack. Ooh. What's up, girl? I am well. I like the 4th of July. Pretty girl roll up. Shooting the shot like a wise.
I'm my king, but this one was them hurt the year for my skin. But pray me you to get retribution for my sin whenever.
Ooh, let's change out the black one for the blue. It looks much better with the blue, huh? It's official. That look cool, bro. That boy Randy got a utility vehicle. That's hot. Get off! Get off! Get off! Don't do that. Huh? You can't do that. That's not right. Okay, some actual dialogue to this video so far. I'm on my way to Acura right now. I know I don't have my seatbelt on. I'm sorry to everyone that's watching. It's like, yo, Zosh, bro, put on your seatbelt. I should have put it on before I hit vlogging, but you know, content over my life apparently. But I'm on my way to Acura right now to pick up my new fork, and I think that's all. Yeah, that's all I ordered. The fork, I got the bearings. They already forwarded through from Renardo. So today is Wednesday. I'm filming these videos like every day. So just to get you on a timeline with everything. Today is Wednesday. My last video was uploaded Tuesday. So this video will be uploaded Thursday. You're watching this on a Thursday. And then I don't know what's gonna happen actually on Thursday. But my gearbox should be fixed all by this weekend. Like I should have everything ready to go by the weekend, playboy. So that's what's going on right now. So almost at my Acura, and like I told you guys, bro, if you guys want 20% off and free shipping to the great states of the United States, all the information you need to know is down below in the description box. Just you know what I mean? Cog and Acura, Fort Pierce. You can come here and be like, yo, Zosh said blah blah blah, just mention my name and you get the discount. That's it. But we are here. We are here. Oh my god, we are here, everybody. We are here at Kagan Acura. So if you guys ever have a bad or broken bent shift fork for 3rd and 4th, part number right there. Yeah, buddy. And I also picked up some ultra flange so I can redo my oil pan gasket. Total for this was $19 for the ultra flange because I get a discount, you know what I mean? And then the fork was $68. So a total of $83, something like that. My math might be off, but like $84, $85. Oh God, look at the gas light. Yeah, yeah. Yes, sirskis. Yes, sirskis. Yes, sirskis. Dang, what they did to these USPS envelopes, bruh? They got some vibranium or something. We're back. This man done double. Oh man. Boy, Renato took. Ooh. Got a brass brand new brand used synchro. Got the bearing I needed. This is the input shaft bearing, and this right here. Well, this right here is the counter shaft bearing, but it should be good. Ooh, look at that, smooth. You don't even hear nothing, my youth. You don't hear nothing. Got my fork. All I need now is maybe fourth gear hub and sleeve. I don't know. Look, let's go in the garage and put this on. Okay, so check it out. That is obviously the bent one. You see how it's cracked and it's bent down, and this is the brand new one. Crazy, bro, crazy. So I feel like my hub and sleeve is good. It's just that's clapped out. That's why I was being a pain to go to third gear. You know what I mean? Because third gear's on the bottom, and that could do it. That could do it. So got the new fork, which actually goes in the middle of this, and then I gotta take off the bearing for the top and put Randy gotta put all this shit back together, and then yeah, the bearings, and then the new synchro right here. It's not new, but like it's not chewed up. It's not scratched or anything. Like you guys probably can't tell on camera, but it's pretty good. That's the purge. So Randy's gonna have to come and put everything on because I don't know how to do that. So when he comes to put everything on, I can put on the bearing, both bearings for that. That's the bearing, easy to do, but I just wait. New third gear sleeve. I think my synchro. I believe my hub and sleeve is good. I'm 100% positive that my hub and sleeve is good. So, yep, I'm about like what, $200 in the hole, 80 for the both bearings, 60 for the thing, 80, 60 plus is well, 160. What? 60 plus 80. It's 140. Stupid. Yeah, so 140 plus 25, 165. Yep, 165 in the hole plus. They're probably it's probably like a $200 rebuild because I gotta buy synchro mesh and all that stuff. But yeah, gotta pay to play, bro. Hey, that's on me, it's on my fault. I miss you, Mac Dog. We all miss you, bruh. Come back. Come back. What's happening? Today is Thursday. Today is the day Randy comes over and help me install the gearbox. Well, not install it, but he's gonna help me put the gearbox back together. I'm sorry for that. I don't know what's going on. I be tripping. Oh my god. I'm honestly thinking about buying a new camera, man. I think it's time. I think I'm leaning. Did my shit die? Oh shit. My keyboard finally died. Needs batteries, of course, but hey, that's it. I'm thinking about getting a new camera. I think I already said that though. I don't know. Lol, am I crazy? I am crazy. Crazy. So yeah, like I was saying, Randy's gonna fire it after work. We're gonna put the gearbox, well, put all the gears and stuff, blah blah blah. I might not put the gearbox in the car today. I'll probably do it tomorrow or something. I don't know. Oh, actually, I gotta wait for the new clutch to arrive. Yes, I know. Oh, I didn't even tell you guys how good and bad my clutch is. It's good. Like, it's good, but I'm just gonna run a new clutch, new pressure plate, have everything refreshed, brand new. Keep the stage 3 action clutch on backup in case one of the homies need it. If their clutch goes bad, and I got one on standby for the. And thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like on the video, comment, subscribe, send me $1 to my PayPal so I can be rich, and just love me. Oh, it's not dead. We lit. We lit. We lit. We lit. Y'all ever seen a handsome woman?